Hey guys, it's me, Lametria from Cutting Up Keto, where we slice and dice and serve up everything nice with no sugar and lots of spice. In today's episode for you guys, I have something that I've got so many questions about, which is ranch dressing. Which ranch dressing do I recommend? And I have to say, you guys, if you're going for bottled, Primal Kitchen is a great line. Not Ann's Kitchen. Cindy's Kitchen is another great line. It's also found in the refrigerated section in your grocery store. It's not gonna be on the shelf by the Primal and some of the other more naturals like Drew's. That's also a good salad dressing line. For you guys that are looking for ranch dressing that you can just buy pre-made, definitely stick to those brands. But I'm gonna show you guys something special today. Something that you guys are gonna make a part of your routine because it is so simple to make. I'm gonna feature today my ranch dressing that I make. You guys, it is the bomb, okay? When it comes to making a good keto Cobb salad, which I'm gonna have, you can use for dipping sauce, for veggies, for everything. And like I said, my kids, they love it. And my son, who actually hates ranch dressing, when I made this, he ate it. So go ahead and get settled. So we're gonna get started making this for you guys right now. Okay guys, so here are all the ingredients that you need to whip up this quick and easy homemade ranch dressing. In the description box where I provide the recipe, I'm gonna provide the recipe for what it calls for with dried herbs, but sometimes I have fresh on hand, and I do prefer fresh in my salad dressings if I have them. But I'll just say it real quick, you guys. I'm gonna put in there, it's gonna be a half teaspoon of garlic, a half teaspoon of onion powder. That stuff's already pre-measured here in this little bowl right here. This right here has already been pre-measured. So I have in here, this is a half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, an 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, as well as a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric. Did I say 1/4 cup? I hope I didn't say that. 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes and 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric. I don't have an 1/8 teaspoon. I more or less just measure a 1/4 and just kind of break that in half. I have, let's see here, for these, since I have the fresh, I'm going to use roughly 1 tablespoon of each of these, and this right here is the correct measurement for the dried. I didn't have any fresh dill. And here I have 1 cup of mayo. That is the avocado mayo by Primal Kitchen. And then I have here 1/2 cup of sour cream. So all I'm gonna do here, oh wait, and here's the Cobb salad. I know you guys are probably looking at that like, ooh, what is that? This is gonna be featured in the video where I made the chicken, the green chili chipotle chicken, and this is gonna be on the side, but I'm just having it here because this is what I'm gonna use as the go-to dressing for my Cobb salad. This is really easy to whip up, guys. So all you're gonna do here is just toss all these, roughly a tablespoon of all of these ingredients in this here, in a mixing bowl. Uh-oh, I didn't do a good job cutting that, but oh well. And like I said, this probably is not accurate. I don't really measure my fresh herbs that closely because I just really love using them. So, oh well. Pour that in there. And then we're gonna just dump all this. Move that out of the way. And then we're just gonna dump all of this in there. And all of this in there. Oh, I almost forgot. Here I have some distilled white vinegar. Now you do not have to add the vinegar, but I do add it because it gives that dressing just a little bit of tangy kick to it without being overpowering. So I'm just gonna add a half teaspoon of the vinegar, distilled white vinegar, to the ranch dressing. But again, if you don't have it, you don't have to have it in the dressing. But I like it. I'm gonna add my sour cream. And then we're gonna whisk this stuff up really good, and then we're gonna let it sit in the refrigerator for roughly about an hour at least before you start to try and serve it. Or some chives in there. All right, and then that's it. Just whisk this stuff up, put it in the refrigerator. And the longer it sits, of course, the better it's going to get. Make sure that you get all the goodies off the bottom. And just keep stirring and stirring and stirring. All right, and that's it. That's gonna be the perfect companion to any chicken, grilled, baked, fried, keto fried, that is. It doesn't matter. A steak, this is good on. Of course, it's good on dipped veggies. That's the go-to normally with ranch dressing, but it's good on everything, y'all. I had some grilled shrimp. This was excellent on the grilled shrimp. And again, if you want to make a pourable buttermilk dressing, see how this one's kind of thick, then you can just add a little bit of buttermilk. Try and make sure, look at that buttermilk and see what's in it first. But that's if you desire to have something that's a little bit looser in consistency. So I'm gonna pour it on this salad. I'll show the salad though in the other video. I'm gonna post a link in the description box to that video, just in case you missed it. But I'm gonna top this with a little bit of fresh parsley. Parsley always makes things look so pretty, don't it? I didn't do a really good job chopping because I was in a hurry, but oh well. It's kind of big, but you guys get the point. So anyhow, don't forget to go ahead and give this video a like. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that way next time I upload, you guys will be the first ones to know about it. All right, you guys, it was good seeing you guys again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.